मुझसे जुड़े रहने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें। मैं अफवाहों पर यकीन नहीं करता। I don't believe in rumors. I don't believe in rumors. मुझे देर हो जाएगी। I will be late. I will be late. वह बहुत बुरा व्यवहार करता है। He behaves very rudely. He behaves very rudely. आपके चेहरे पे इतनी मुस्कुराहट क्यों है? Why there is so much smile on your face? Why there is so much smile on your face? आप बहुत बोलते हो। You are very talkative. You are very talkative. और क्या ज़रूरत है? What else is needed? What else is needed? किताब को उल्टा कर दो। Turn the book upside down. Turn the book upside down. ग्लास को सीधा रख दो। Turn the glass right side up. Turn the glass right side up. मुझे मजबूर मत करो। Don't compel me. Don't compel me. भगवान के सामने माथा टेको। Bow down your head in front of God. Bow down your head in front of God. वो दिन ब दिन जिद्दी होती जा रही है। She is becoming headstrong day by day. She is becoming headstrong day by day. Headstrong की जगह आप obstinate यूज़ कर सकते हो, stubborn यूज़ कर सकते हो। तीनों का मतलब ज़िद्दी होना होता है। She is becoming obstinate day by day और she is becoming stubborn day by day. तीनों यूज़ कर सकते हो आप। वह जल्दी उठने वाला इंसान है। He is an early bird. He is an early bird. तुमने मेरी आँखों में धूल झोंकी है। You have thrown dust in my eyes. You have thrown dust in my eyes. मैं तुम्हें ये रास्ते में समझा दूंगी। I will explain it to you on our way. I will explain it to you on our way. तुम रज़ाई से बाहर निकलोगे या नहीं? Will you come out of quilt or not? Will you come out of quilt or not? शायद उसे बुखार है। Perhaps she has a fever. Perhaps she has a fever. Perhaps की जगह आप maybe यूज़ कर सकते हो। Maybe she has a fever. वह मेरी सफलता से जलता है। He is jealous of my success. He is jealous of my success or he is envious of my success. He is envious of my success. धूल झाड़ दो। Wipe off the dust. Wipe off the dust. मुझे भारी नुकसान हुआ। I had a huge loss. I had a huge loss. 6 बजे तक घर आ जाना। Come home by 6 o'clock. Come home by 6 o'clock. ढंग से कपड़े पहनो। Dress प्रॉपरली, ड्रेस प्रॉपरली या फिर ड्रेस डिसेंटली, ड्रेस डिसेंटली। उसे मत डराओ, डोंट स्केयर हर, डोंट स्केयर हर। उसे मेरे पास भेजो, सेंड हिम टू मी, सेंड हिम टू मी। उसने मेरी किताब कहीं छुपा दी, he hid my books somewhere, he hid my book somewhere। उसने अपने भाई के लिए कड़वाहट है, he has bitterness for his brother, he has bitterness for his brother। तुम्हें किसने कॉल किया? Who called you? Who called you? बच्चों को बोलो शोर न मचाएं। Ask kids not to make a noise. Ask kids not to make a noise. तुम यहाँ कर क्या रहे हो? What are you doing here? What are you doing here? तुम्हें और कोई काम नहीं है क्या? Don't you have any other work? Don't you have any other work? सिर्फ काम करना ही सब कुछ नहीं होता। Only doing work is not everything. Only doing work is not everything. तुम इतने नखरे क्यों दिखा रही हो? Why are you being such a drama queen? Why are you being such a drama queen? क्या आप उसे उसका फ़ोन लाके दे सकते हो? Can you get him his phone? Can you get him his phone? मैं आसपास रहूँगा। I will be around. I will be around. मैं सुबह से बाहर हूँ। I'm out since morning. I am out since morning. आप सुबह से कहाँ थे? Where had you been since morning? Where had you been since morning? हमें कुछ करना होगा। We will have to do something. We will have to do something. मैं 2 मिनट में तैयार हो जाऊंगा। I will be ready in 2 minutes. I will be ready in 2 minutes. उसके लिए मुझे सोचना पड़ेगा। For that, I will have to think. For that, I will have to think. हमें सुबह जल्दी उठना है। We have to get up early in the morning. We have to get up early in the morning. Have to हम उस जगह यूज़ करते हैं जहाँ पे हमें कुछ करना ही करना होगा।